Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to set or change A4 paper size in printer settings here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to bring up your file, and the moment you have bring it up, click on this option called File, scroll down and go with Print. The moment you've clicked on it, you would be able to bring up this window where here you can choose the printer device that you would like to use with. So click on this down arrow key and select the device that you would like to use. And from here, please navigate to this option called More Settings. Please click on it. And the moment you do it, you will be able to bring up this printing preferences where here you can see an option called document size. From here, just click this down arrow and choose with A4. So in that way, you would be able to set it as your paper size the moment you print here. I mean, the moment you have print your document. So under the orientation, you can also change the type of orientation, either portrait or landscape. So if your document would be good to look at using landscape, then I would recommend you to use that and your document would look like this. But if your document would look like or would prefer upon going with portrait, then select on portrait and your document would look like this. So from the quality, I would recommend you to choose when standard. And under the color, if your document has pictures, then I would recommend you to go with color. And if your document goes with text only, you can simply use this grayscale. Okay? So once you're done, please click on OK. Okay. And once you're good, you can now click on print and there you have it. You will be able to print your document to A4 paper size. Okay. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Don't forget also to leave a comment at the comment section below if you have succeeded on changing your A4 paper size in printer settings. So thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.